time to step away from the cookie-cutter homes of Northern Virginia to a mid-century modern home inspired and illuminated by nature. An oasis that's an escape from the ordinary. Today on Greater Reston Living, a Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired deck house where nature meets modern. Soaring windows invite the landscape inside. Exposed post and beam structure and tongue and groove ceiling decking. All the elements that you would look for. Even the spa-like bathrooms have nature in mind. Isn't this a fun home? And the private gardens welcome you to serenity. The home is an entertainer's paradise. Cocktail hours, barbecues, or just sit back and enjoy the never-ending views. A mid-century oasis where nature meets modern, that's Greater Reston Living, deck house style.